भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ॐ नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। So today we will start the glories of the most merciful abode in the material and the spiritual worlds, that is Ekachakra Dham. It is the birthplace of Lord Balaram when he appeared in Kali Yuga as Lord Nityananda. So just the presence of Ekachakra on this planet actually is the cause of Nityananda, the greatest happiness, eternal happiness for this world. Because of Nityananda's abode is there on this planet, that is why this planet is existing. And it is full of mercy, that even though people are turning away from God, becoming atheistic, criticizing God, rejecting God, still they are not, they are still getting a chance to perform devotion because of Nityananda and Ekachakra Dham. Buddhva mat kirtane ratha. That is the only hope for the souls of Kali Yuga. Taking shelter of Nityananda's name, Nityananda's form, Nityananda's pastimes, Nityananda's abode, and Nityananda's devotees. The quickest and the fastest way to achieve Gaur Hari and Radha Krishna. Everything is Nityananda. So, Rupe Nityananda Tumi, Name Nityananda. He Tumi Nityananda, Rama Murti Manta. Lord Gaur Hari has prayed to Nityananda Stuti. Rupe Nityananda Tumi, your form is full of bliss. That is why Name Nityananda. Because by chanting your name, the form comes in the heart. So your name is Nityananda, your form is Nityananda. I mean, people will swim in the ocean of Nityananda. Every soul in creation wants happiness. Nobody wants misery. Do you want misery? No. Even then, nobody wants to chant the name of Nityananda, which is guaranteed bliss. No looking back, no reservations, no hesitations, no qualifications, no boundaries, no obstacles. Nityananda. It's only happiness. But no, people will not take it. Nityananda. How can bliss be there in one name? Nityananda. People say, what is the bliss in the name? I get bliss when I eat nicely, when I feast, when I wear nice clothes and I enjoy. Then I get. But my dear brothers and sisters, that Ananda is external Ananda, and Nityananda is the real internal Ananda of the soul, the internal happiness. Nityananda is raising his hands, he said, please come to me, I will give you this Ananda which you are seeking for. Oh hey Jeev, Aisho, Chhad Kutinati, Laho Gauranga Prema Kori Paripati. Nitai is telling every soul, oh Jiva, come to me. Give up duplicity, have faith in me. Give me your faith one time and you will not be the loser. Learn from me Gauranga Naam, Gauranga Prem, Paripati. Paripati means I will teach you. So that is Nitai, an unprecedented incarnation which has never appeared in the past, who will never appear in the future, and who is the most merciful in the past, present and future. So that is why Nityananda's abode has the same qualities as Nityananda. He took the name of Nityananda in Kali Yuga because he understood that people want temporary happiness in Kali Yuga, which is known as Anitya Ananda. Anitya. Nitya means constant, eternal, non-stop, imperishable, infallible, unceasing, incessant. This is known as Nitya. Nitya Ananda. So he has come in Kali Yuga to give Nitya Ananda, not Anitya Ananda. So he assumed this name of Nityananda to show to the world that I am not giving inferior Ananda, I am giving superior Ananda. So Eka Chakra Punya Dham Bhumi Rupe Gaura Sham Gauda Vraja Kshetra Chid Vilas. Eka Chakra Dham Smaran Mangala Stotra. We will start with the Eka Chakra Dham Smaran. All the three abodes of Vraja Mandala, Kshetra Mandala, Gauda Mandala, they have appeared as Eka Chakra, the most merciful abode. Bhumi Rupe Gaura Sham. Nityananda is the abode, Sandhini Shakti. Nityananda performed pastimes while walking on Eka Chakra, but Eka Chakra Dham is also Nityananda's body. So he is actually performing his lila on his own. Tri Jagate Anupama Nahika Tulana Sima Nitya Nityanandana Nivas. In all the three worlds, nobody can compare the great opulence of the house, the home of Nityananda in Eka Chakra Dham. Smarile Jahara Naam Buke Jage Gaur Dham Abhin Nitai Chandamay. Chant the name of Nityananda, to chant Eka Chakra's name. Eka Chakra and Nityananda's name, no difference, it is all non-different. So to chant the name of Nityananda, to chant the name of Eka Chakra, automatically Gaura Dham of Navadvip, Puri and Vrindavan will manifest in our heart because of the mercy of Nitai Chand. Sunirmala Netramon, Paya Jara Darshan, Asamurdhu Madhurya Milay. Those who have pure heart, Sunirmala Netramon. Pure heart means pure eyes. With pure eyes, one can see the real Eka Chakra. Eka Chakra, actually it is another name for the sun. In Sanskrit, the name of the sun is Eka Chakra. Yashavnaya Brahmati Kala Chakro Govindamadi Purusham Tamaham Bhajami. By the order of Govinda, Gauranga, Gaura Govinda, the Kala Chakra, the Surya Chakra, Surya Dev, Surya Narayan is moving and it is determining the time factor in this universe. The Sun God. So but the Sun God is only a servant of Nityananda. So Nityananda is the original Sun. So Nityananda, that is why when Nityananda came in Kali Yuga, his abode took on the name of Eka Chakra. Because he is the son of Kali Yuga. He is the lion of Kali Yuga. When Nityananda loudly roars the name of Gauranga, 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 when he loudly roars the name of Gauranga, then Kali Mudgura, Kukkura Bhavadharam, the Kali Yuga becomes like a dog. And Nityananda is chasing Kali Yuga with a stick by his roaring. He is destroying the influence of Kali Yuga. Where his sound is going, to that extent Kali Yuga's influence is diminished. And the Lord roaring is directly descending from the spiritual world. So that is why Gupta Brinda Sunirmala Netramana Paya. One should go to Ekachakra Dham with pure heart and pure mind and constantly having a straw in one's teeth and chanting Nityananda, Nityananda, Nityananda. Hankering to see Nityananda Prabhu's pastime places. And then Madhurya Nilay, sweetness will manifest.